Welcome back. It's Fabulous TT, guys. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to be a part of the TT Squad. So, this is another unboxing of fall winter. And these are all the things I ordered. So, we're going to go ahead and get into it. Last item. Like I said, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to be a part of my channel. So the first thing I got, let's see, is the Sexy Luxe print pantyhose high-waisted for $4.29. So they look like regular black pantyhose, but they have like lips on it, shapes of lips, which, they're so cute. Oh my goodness. You guys see that? So cute. I don't even want to take it. I don't want to unwrap it, but these are cute. Like, again, these are $4.29. I had ordered this to go with one of my sweater dresses because you know it's getting cold, guys. And you can still be sexy, but make sure you stay warm too. You don't want to catch a cold up your butt, as my mom would say back in the day. So 6, we went ahead and did the pantyhose. This is the dress that I paired off with the pantyhose for one outfit. And this is the heart print turtleneck dress. And I'm going to get a belt for it. But, ooh, this is a dress. It looks a little short, don't you think? Be short on me. Way how I'm shaped. Glad I got them pantyhose. But this is so adorable. This was $17.49. This is how it looks on the model right there. So yeah. And by the way, I went ahead and got a fill-in on my nails. This is the new design. Fall, we're rocking. I call her Black Bougie Halloween nails, but they're not really the Halloween because they're pink and black acrylic powder. But yeah, shout out to my nail tech, Deja. Thank you so much for doing always a great job on my set. Alright, so like I said, the turtleneck dress and the stockings, that's what I paired those with. And this is outfit number 2. And let's see. We're going to bring up outfit number 2. Alright, so yeah, so this is the casual solid 2-piece set crew neck. This long sleeve with pants, $11.69. So I got it in the color khaki. Okay. I really love the color. Color is beautiful. The material is definitely spandex, guys. Feels really nice though. These are pants. And oh, the crop top shirt is cute, guys. Look. That is cute, honey. And it says on the end, Lucky Label. So I love that. Let's see. Fold her up. And like I said, this set was $11.69 in the color khaki. This is also a small, size small. That dress, the sweater dress, was a size medium. So already I'm kind of disappointed just a little because they said this is khaki color, but it looks pink. And this is khaki, so those that's like totally off the stuff. You definitely gonna have to wear a purse with another outfit, not with that outfit. But the purse is a plus shoulder bag fur for $6.78. Now the purse is cute, y'all. It's so cute. Very cute. Love it. $6.78 for this. It does come with a strap. This is the strap right here. Oh, this is cute though. This is really cute. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Let's see how these shoes look. Okay, well, the shoes and the pocketbook definitely go together. Now, these are the shoes I got with the purse. These definitely match. Nice color, nice color. I got these for, they are called warm snow boots for women, $25.97. They're really nice. I don't really wear tennis shoes that much, so I decided to get a pair. This one inside looks like, but I like how they look hot topish, you know, and then they got the word fashion. Like, I really like these. These are nice. Here is the other shoe. Take that out. The fur inside is really soft, really warm. But yeah, got both of these pairs of shoes again for $25.97. So that's the end of this brown tan haul. Like I said, the purse definitely goes with the shoes, but I bought this supposed to be the same color as that, so that's not gonna work, but that's okay. This is still cute, and then, you know, the sweater dress. But they could go with a sweater dress, but no, I don't know what tennis shoes with that. But yeah, and the pantyhose. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. You know what to do. It is Fabulous TT, and I'm out. I will still be having clothing hauls coming up soon. 3 more packages. I'm just waiting on them. Coming one by one. But thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.